In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss about Bessel's formula. This is the formula for Bessel's interpolation. Yp is equal to y naught plus y1 divided by 2 plus p minus 1 by 2 into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y minus 1 plus delta square y naught divided by 2 plus p minus 1 by 2 p into p minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y minus 1 plus and so on. Find the solution using Bessel's formula. Here x and f of x value have given. Now we are going to find the value of f of x at x is equal to 25. Here x values are 20, 24, 28, 32 and y values are 28, 54, 2854, 3162, 3544, 3992. So to find the Bessel's method, first we will find the value for k. So h is equal to second value minus first value, therefore 24 minus 20 is equal to 4. So next we are going to take x naught is equal to 24 because here x has given 25, 24 is very close to 25, so that's why we are taking x naught is equal to 24. Then p is equal to x minus x naught divided by h is equal to x minus 24 divided by 4. So next we are going to form the difference table. X value and these are the y values. We have to find the value of p here. P value is equal to x minus 24 divided by 4. So if x is equal to 20, the p value become a minus 1. If x is equal to 24, p value becomes 0. If x is equal to 28, p value is equal to 1. And if x is equal to 32, p value is equal to 2. And next we are going to find the delta y. Delta y has been found from 3162 minus 2854. This is equal to 308. And the second value has been found from 3544 minus 3162 is equal to 382. Similarly, we can find all these values. So next we can find the delta square y. Delta square y has been found from 382 minus 308 is equal to 72, 74 and 66. And delta cube is equal to 66 minus 74 is equal to minus 8. Here x is equal to 25 and p is equal to 25 minus 24 divided by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 or 0.25. And here y naught is equal to 3162, delta y naught is equal to 382, delta square y minus 1 is equal to 74, delta cube y minus 1 is equal to minus 8. Now I am going to substitute all this value in the given Bessel's formula. Then yp is equal to y naught 3162 plus y1 3544 divided by 2 plus p minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 become a minus 1 by 4 into 382 plus p 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial, and the delta square y minus 1, delta square y naught already we have find out. So we are substituting the values, and next we are going to find the p minus 1 by 2, p into p minus 1 divided by 3 factorial is a 6, and substituting all this value, finally I am having y of 0.25 is equal to 3353 minus 95.5 minus 6.5625 minus 0.0625, and y of 0.25 is equal to 3250.865. So therefore the solution of Bessel's interpolation y is equal to 25 is equal to 3250.875. So next problem, find the solution by using Bessel's formula at x is equal to 3.75. Here x value starts from 2.525 and f of x value also given. So Bessel's method, first we are going to find h. H has been found out from second value minus first value is equal to 0.5, and I am going to take x naught, taking x naught is equal to 3.5 because we are going to find the value for x is equal to 3.75. 3.5 is very close to 3.75. That's why we are considering x naught is equal to 3.5. Then p is equal to x minus x naught divided by h is equal to x minus 3.5 divided by 0.5. And next we are going to form the table. x value and p value is equal to x minus 3.5 divided by 0.5. If x is equal to 2.5, p is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to 3, p is equal to minus 1, and similarly 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, we are going to find the delta y. We can form the interpolation table similarly to the previous problem. So now we are going to find the value for x is equal to 3.75, where p is equal to x minus x naught divided by h is equal to 3.75 minus 3.5 divided by 0.5 is equal to 0.5. And from the difference table, we can write the values y naught is equal to 20.225 and delta y naught is equal to minus 1.581 and delta square y minus 1 is equal to 0.237 and delta cube y minus 1 is equal to minus 0.038 and delta power 4 y minus 2 is equal to 0.009 and delta power 5 y minus 2 is equal to minus 0.003. Now the Bessel's formula is, we know the Bessel's formula. We are substituting the value y of 0. We are finding the value y of 0.5 is equal to and substituting y naught 20.225 and y1 is equal to 18.644 divided by 2 plus p value already we find out 0.5. So 0.5 minus 1 by 2 value become a 0. So the second term becomes 0 and the third term will be a 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 and then we are substituting the value delta square y minus 1 plus delta square y naught divided by 2 plus and next fourth term we are substituting the value p and simplifying the term we are getting the final value y of 0.5 is equal to 19.4345 plus 0.02725 plus 0 plus 0.0001. Therefore, the final answer is y of 0.5 is equal to 19.40743. So, if x value is equal to 3.75, the y value become a 19.40743. And this is a practice problem. So here y20, y24, y28, y32, all the values are given. So we are going to find the y25 by using Bessel's interpolation formula. Now we are taking x naught, that is the origin is a 24 because we are going to find the value for 25. So 24 is very close to 24. So we can proceed the problem by using the previous method.